Comparison of military strength between Iran and Israel. Fighter jets, Israel 239, Iran 188. Attack helicopters, Israel 48, Iran 13. Helicopter, Israel 127, Iran 129. Transport aircraft, Israel 14, Iran 87. Special mission aircraft, Israel 19, Iran 10. Towed artillery, Israel 171, Iran 1803. Howitzers, Israel 1300, Iran 1713. Self-propelled artillery, Israel 323, Iran 392. Multiple rocket launchers, Israel 223. Iran 1,550. Ballistic missile launches, Israel less than 100, Iran less than 2,500. Combat drones, Israel less than 450, Iran less than 4,000. Active personnel, Israel 170. 000. Iran 610,000. Reserve personnel, Israel 460,000, Iran 350,000. Submarines, Iran 25, Israel 6. Frigates, Iran 7, Israel 0. Corvettes, Iran 3, Israel 7. Naval strength, Iran 109, Israel 89.